This is a Map Business Online video presentation. I have decided to create a profile across the country of zip codes that might be the best areas to set up our business ABC, based on a demographic profile. So what I did was within the data window view, I created a zip code, overall zip code. You can see I took the overall zip codes and I added median income and population to my zip code layer. Then I went into my filtering tool where I can filter that funnel, and I set up filters so that I was looking at the demographic data for population by zip code for areas that were greater than 15,000 or less than 20,000, because that's my demographic sweet spot for ABC Business. And then I also did a second criteria based on median household income, where I looked at anything greater than $90,000 a year as my sweet spot. So anything up for that, then I clicked filter, and that gave me a result here on the data window of 174 zip codes across the country. I then created a territory out of those zip codes by clicking this Create Territory button, and I named that territory um, Test Punan. And so there's those zip codes that belong to that territory across the country. That's basically the wealthy sector based on our demographic. And they're black everywhere around the country. So the further west you go, I think it's a little less populous when you get out here, but you'll see that there's some up there in Chicago. And as you go across the country, you'll run into those numbers, those zip codes. Now I've got the data here by place name or city. So I can actually export all this out right here as an Excel spreadsheet, which would give us a list of cities that we can work with as well. So you could actually send that data set out, bring that back in, and populate all these cities on the map. There may be other ways for us to get cities on the map labeled, but go to mapbusinessonline.com and try your own demographic profile. Thanks very much.